What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel. And today we have another Trendy Butler unboxing and review for this month's April 2018 package, which I've got right here. So let's crack into it and see what we've got. Alright, now before we actually get started, I wanted to also say this bomber jacket is also from Trendy Butler. I was talking with them after last month's review video, and they mentioned that they actually meant to send this to me in the previous package instead of that kind of sage colored polo shirt I got. So I got this in its own separate package, and I actually love it. It's awesome. It fits great. It's from 11 Paris, which is the same brand that I've got a few pairs of pants and other shirts from. So I've noticed with that particular brand that the quality always seems very nice. It's just like they're very kind of heavy duty, so to speak. So they, they're just made well. And I just wanted to mention too that I think that that's just a good way to take a look at Trendy Butler's customer service. They've always just been super awesome with me, and just the fact that they went out of their way to send me this jacket in a separate package I thought was really, really nice. So shout out to Trendy Butler for that. All right, now let's crack into this bad boy and see what we have here. This looks spicy. What do we got? Very cool looking. We've got a shirt from Slate Denim and Company, which really like that. It's just got this very cool little white kind of embroidered, not embroidered, but it's stitched in pattern into it. I really like the color. And we also have what looks like a pair of jeans back there, so let's see. A little bit better look at the shirt. This looks really nice. This is like right up my street type of shirt that I like. I wear a lot of blues and grays and blacks, so this is like perfect for my wardrobe. Also looks a little bit springy too. It's a lighter blue and it's got that nice like white pattern on there, so I think it's good for as the weather is finally starting to get a little bit warmer. And we've got a pair of jeans from Stitches Jeans, made in the USA, and this particular type is called the Barfly Slim Fit. They feel nice, like they feel soft already, like they don't need to be really broken in. So they do look like a pretty nice slim cut. Not skinny, but slim. Uniquely handcrafted by Hollywood artisans. Slim, straight, tailored through the hip and thigh, 15-inch leg opening. Interesting shade too. It's kind of like more like a slate blue color, which is, I don't really have a pair of jeans that looks like that color. Alright, so straight out of the package, I like the looks of everything. I think those two will probably actually go together with this as a nice outfit too, so let's go ahead and try everything on. Alright, so I really like the shirt. It fits absolutely perfectly. It feels very well made, so that's exciting. I really like the pattern, and I like that the sleeves are a good length for me. I've got long arms, so it's always tough to find a medium shirt that has the right length of sleeve, so this is perfect. The jeans fit great as well. They're nice in the waist, and they are nice and slim through the leg. They're not super skinny, which I've been kind of into lately, but they are so comfortable. They're very soft, they're a little bit stretchy. I like the color, and I think that the two go together very well. All right, so there you have another Trendy Butler unboxing, another successful one I might add. And so I hope you guys liked this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Keep your eyes peeled. Tomorrow I've got another video coming up, and it's about this little guy right here. If you haven't yet clicked that subscribe button right down there, please do click it to keep up to date with all that upcoming content I've got coming your way. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.